going on YouTube? What we got going on today is we're going to be taking this tree down. Right here on the corner we got power lines to watch out for. But other than that, guys, it's going to be an easy job. Stump included. This is a nice neighborhood. I think we came through here and dropped a bunch of cards one day. I wanted to see if it would come back. Well, it's not, so we're going to take it down.
Ready to get to work?
I know it's mine, but it's broken when I dropped it on the sky lift.
We're about a quarter or halfway done. We're gonna take off some more of the limbs and then probably top it or just send it over. Then go get our skid steer to get this main beam from about here down so that we can mill it up, because Persimmon milled up looks really, really pretty.
So, dude.
What are your thoughts?
What I think we're gonna do, we're gonna move the bucket truck, get as high up as possible, and I want to delimit completely and then send the top. I'm gonna go ahead, tie a rope around her, pull her this way.
We're gonna pull it right here. It is leaning a little bit back, so it'll be easier to pull it this way than against it.
Yeah, do you miss having the skid? I am the skid steer. There you go, that's what I'm talking about. The reason we didn't have the skid steer on this job is because it was just small enough that we could do it by hand, and plus we needed the skid steer for another job. So we figured this tree right here was just big enough for us to move and load by hand. So we prefer not to, but sometimes we just have to. This is Riley. He's our operator in training. What we're gonna do now is we've got it topped. It's good to go. We're gonna tie a rope onto it on the top, do just a basic face cut, wedge it in the back, and send it over right here. My 70 to 30 ratio.
Yeah. The ratio.
That's that.
Front cut's supposed to be 30%.
Not bad. Yeah, that's Persimmon all day, bro.
Front cut's supposed to be 30%. Tell you what, it's gonna be real pretty when I mill it up.
We got a tape measure in the side of the door.
Nick, what saw are you using here?
This is an MS661 Magnum. It works really good. It's one of the best saws I've ever had. It's got a 3-foot bar on it right now because I just cut down a big tree and I just don't feel like changing it. It's 10. 10 right good. There?
Yep.
If I get 2 10s out of it.
Yeah, that'll work. Perfect.
We're gonna clean up, take this, go dump it at our property, go get our skid steer to load that up and take that to our mill, and then come back and finish cleaning up.
Persimmon has a little bit of black grain in there. It's very sappy though, very, very sappy, so it has to dry, but it's yellow and black. That's what it looks like in the middle.
That's the fun part.
Okay everybody, so it's a new day. This is day 2. We got the job complete yesterday. We decided to do the stump grinding today because we have a bunch of stumps lined up. Let me show you how we do it. That's it. Stump grinder's loaded. Stump is gone. We got to do a little bit more cleanup and then we're ready to go. All right guys, that's it. Job's done. It technically took 2 days. We broke it up into 2 days. We removed the tree yesterday and then ground the stump this morning because we have a bunch of stumps to do. Anyway, if you liked the video, like it, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see more of and what kind of content we should make next. Until next time guys, we out.